jalapeno pepper. It tastes good with
Catfish, is it time? Catfish, what do you think? Is it time to eat?
You hungry? Alright, let me ask her this way. Hang on, let me move on this side. Are you hungry?
I can't hear you.
I can't hear you. Is it time? Yeah? For sure? Now?
Are you hungry, Catfish?
Yeah, I'm not so sure. I'm confused.
Catfish! Are you hungry?
She said she'll let me do it to me, I think. Yeah? Tell us. Tell us quietly.
Catfish.
You're allergic to me? Tell me.
Okay. That's the funniest thing I have ever heard in my life. Larry missed a show.
This is all I got. Can't have Mexican. Can't have beans. You're not allowed to have the ribs. You don't like chicken salad. What are you going to do like chicken salad? Cheese. Everybody wanted cheese.
Now, where's Dixie? Hey, Daisy girl.
I can't get behind the plate.